What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and today we're doing a video about Algorand because it just blasted off over $1.20 in less than a half an hour and then dumped almost 8 cents from the original price that it blasted off to, which was $1.75, and now has gone all the way back up to $1.79. This would be a good price to buy the dip because obviously that is a local bottom. It could turn around and go lower than that and break support. You know, that can always happen. It happens a lot when you buy in, so be careful. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, but Algorand is amazing. But before we get more into Algorand, I just want to let you guys know that I appreciate everything that you've done for the channel, all of the support that you've given me, and all of you subscribing to the channel. We're at over 1,300 subscribers. We're almost at 200,000 views. We have over 70,000 views this month, which is our highest month. It's almost half of our channel's total views this month. So we're really doing awesome. So to show my appreciation and to let you guys know, that I appreciate all of your support and all of you that have subscribed and all the likes, the comments, everything that you guys have done for the channel. I'm going to do a video to thank you guys. There's probably going to be some rewards, some prizes, some games. Maybe we'll have a voice chat or we'll just do a chat. I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's going to be a cool live stream. We're going to just basically celebrate the community, and I'm going to recognize a lot of you that have been just above and beyond. I'm going to shout you out, some of your comments. I'm going to recognize you, and I might start doing that in videos more. So if you guys leave some amazing comments below, I'm going to start shouting people out. And the bigger the channel gets, if you just, say something positive and catch my eye, something really cool, and I will shout you out and I'll be like, hey, this person is the subscriber of the week. That's what we'll do. We're going to have a subscriber of the week, and I'm just going to shout them out, and then we will have a honorable mention of the day. And so the best comment of the day is always going to get recognized. Maybe not every day, but let's just say if we remember it, but we're definitely going to do every week. Now, if you guys end up liking doing it every day and we get a lot more activity because of it, then we'll do it. I mean, I'm just not going to put a whole lot of extra effort into something that, not a lot of people even want. So if it does catch on, that's why you see when I try these ideas, like starting my crypto YouTube channel shorts or Bitcoin Renegade 2, and they didn't really take off. So just more ideas. I try whatever, and we do the best for the channel and the people. So thank you. You guys are the best, and I wouldn't have continued to do this if you guys hadn't been so supportive. So at least make 4 videos a day. The more you support the channel and have my back, the longer I can keep doing 4 videos a day. It is draining. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit tired of making videos. I'm not tired of it. That's kind of the wrong word. Like that sounds like I'm sick of doing it, but I'm not. I feel a little bit exhausted doing it. Do you know what I mean? It isn't that I'm sick of doing it. It's just that I'm a little bit tired. I'm a little bit worn out. And I'm not worn out of it or sick of it. I'm just from doing so much of it. You know what I mean? I love it, but it's overwhelming because 4 videos a day, every day, is so much. I'm going to probably have to take a day off here soon. At least one day, probably Sunday. So, and I don't know what Sunday, but I'm definitely going to have to get a day of just rest. And for sure, I got to do that. I got to recharge. Just one day of just letting my brain just kind of, no overdrive today. We can just kind of just have a relaxed day. And but yeah, so everything is going to be awesome. We're going to do cool games, cool prizes, give out some Bitcoin, give out some other crypto, maybe some Algorand, I don't know. And we will definitely say thank you guys. So if you haven't, please consider subscribing to the channel, and you can come join us for our celebration and maybe help you make money in crypto. Just know that I'm not a financial advisor. What I do is on my own, and basically all I'm doing is showing you videos of what I would do in crypto out, and if you can learn and research and, make money yourself, then that's okay. I'm not a financial advisor, though. I can't tell you how to do any of that. So, but you can, how people learn. Monkey see, monkey do, right? We look and we learn, and that's how I make videos, is I learned and I watched all the other people and I made it my own. So some people would say, well, you're not authentic. You use everybody else's stuff. Well, no, I don't. I learned what to do. Their stuff is brand new. Even the most original idea has parts of someone else's ideas in it. Even the most authentic ideas. So what we do is we learn from the world around us, and we see what works, and then we mold it, shape it, reshape it, and use it to our own. And that's what I'm telling you to do with my videos. You don't just use my videos as financial advice, just like I wouldn't go and copy somebody else's YouTube video. What I would do is I'd learn what to do in a crypto YouTube video, and then I would make it my own, and I would do it my way and use some of the things that work, and some trial and error too. So what you would do with trading is the same thing. You go in, if you watch my videos, you look at a crypto, just because I say, hey, it's a good purchase, you don't just go right by it. Then you do your research, you figure, hey, what's a good purchase price? When is it good for me? How much money am I putting in? And then you use it in your own situation. That's why I'm not a financial advisor, because I don't know your situation. Mine is way different, and it isn't going to match yours exactly. So what you have to do is research, twist it around, use it for your own benefit, and then you can take an Algorand dip like this and make a nice little profit off of it, right? So if you would have done what I did, I bought it at $1.91 and I'm in the loss right here. But what you can do now is you can buy it at $1.78, and boom, you're actually doing better than I am. Not financial advice again, but yeah, that was a joke. But yeah, you could, and $1.75 would be a beautiful price, and I would buy. I just tried to buy $50 worth, but my bank is not working right now. So, but anyway, Algorand, what is going on? Is this like just a magic crypto that just blasted off into the stratosphere and it's done now? Is that it? I mean, are we just toast now, or is that a bull flag forming on the on the week, on the day? Those look like bull flag materials to me, but that's not necessary and not necessarily the case, and it might not happen that way, and it kind of is more of a descending wedge, in my opinion, or a falling wedge. And so if we can break out of that falling wedge, it's from the top to the bottom. So we would actually be going from $1.82 to 201. So that is 19 cents. So if we break out, which would probably be at about $1.85, so then it would go, what did I say? 19 cents or 12 cents? 12 cents, right? So 12 cents from $1.85, so it would go to about $1.97. So yeah, that would be a nice breakout if we get a breakout to the upside. If not, it could break to the downside, and then we could be going back to the $1.60 levels, even back to where we were. So I hope that doesn't happen. I hope we continue to keep going. I really have it's gonna keep going eventually. Like, Algorand is a good project. I can't even believe it's down at $1.78 right now, actually. This is just way too good of a project, and how amazing that it's done this bull market, even compared to last bull market. You see, we only went to, let's look, what levels did we go to last bull market? Barely over $1 here. At our biggest level, we only went to $1.68. And we stayed right around $1 here. You see that? And then $1.50. We went up to another peak, and then we dumped, and we sat under $1 here for a while. So we're more than double that price right now. And we went all the way up to more than $2 here, and then kind of reversed down to $1.50 or something. And we're not even that far from the low here. So I really think that Algorand has a lot of room to move up in this bull market, and it's not over. This is just a correction that the whole Bitcoin market is going through right now. And I didn't even think Bitcoin would go all the way down to 55,000. This is crazy low prices. Even in my video earlier, I thought we were only going to go maybe to 56,000 and or 57, and now dumping all the way down to 55 is kind of worrisome, but not danger. We're not in danger zone yet. It is worrisome, but we can have all the way up to a 30% correction. Right now, we're down about 13,000, 14,000 bucks, but we could go all the way to 23,000 in the loss. That would be a third, that would be about 30% of the entire. That would be 33.3%. But so around 22,000 would probably be 30%. 21,500 would probably be right around 30%. So if it goes down to about 48,000, that would be 30%. So we could go all the way down to there. I don't think that's going to happen. But I'm just letting you know, in a bull market, Bitcoin can have up to a 30% correction. So right now we're probably at about a 20 to 25% correction. So things are going to start to, I think, reverse and go back up very, very soon. I hope we hit our bottom here at 55.6. We're already up back at 56,000. So if we keep going up, and then Ethereum, I just want to touch on this real quick. It was under $4,000. Anything under $4,000 right now, you would be an absolute madman if you did not buy Ethereum under $4,000. I would actually be very disappointed in you if you didn't take advantage of a buying opportunity like this in a bull market, especially with the biggest time in crypto in the past is actually still ahead of us. So I know that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are cyclical coins, and I know for a fact that they do follow some sort of a cyclical pattern or cyclical cycle producing pattern that changes a little bit but not a lot over time. And I think, yes, it's going to prolong the bull market this year, not shorten it. So if it stops right now, this is the end of the bull market, then it basically contradicts supply and demand and the cyclical nature of Bitcoin. So that's not going to happen. I almost could guarantee that we are going to not continue to go down, that this is not the end of the bull market. Not that we might go down further, but this is not the end of the bull market. And I'm not going to guarantee it, but I almost could. I that close to just guaranteeing you, yeah, guys, no worries. It's not going to go down. No, not the end. But I don't want to wreck anybody. So everybody use your own, noggin, common sense, and be careful. Get in at good prices and sell at good prices. Look at Mana, the only one that has withstood everything. So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.